Very young gang cockatoo. Hello, take this. No. See, those are fingers. They belong to me. Yeah, take that. Good girl. Now she's going to spend an hour eating it. These are her parents. The father is a little bit fussy. He will only eat this sunflower. The mum will have almond. There you go. Good girl. Yeah. They've got beautiful crusts, both of them. And this chilly winter morning, not winter, chilly autumn morning, they look so cute. Look at that crest as he digs into the sunflower seeds on my palm. Okay, that's it. Don't get afraid of the phone. You know, you can trust me.